It's the number one Nox, man. Tabo G, man. You know all about investments, all about wealth, all about seeking a better life. Topic no way we are going to know Forex trading versus the stock exchange markets. People talk about what's the difference between the two and which one is better? And let me just explain with you guys. For the stock exchange markets, that's when you invest into a publicly traded company. Like the stock exchange, I was on a Botswana stock exchange. What you do, you go sign up with a broker or whatever the shares from a publicly listed company. You become an official shareholder of that company, if I were to say. You'll earn annual dividends as according to how the company performs. And you always get reports of how the company is performing. So that's how the stock exchange works. Funny enough, but Botswana don't even invest in the stock exchange, and shares are so cheap. Tell why people put in so much effort in other things. And when I ask people, when I do shares, people don't have shares in anything. It's sad. So Forex trading, it's more of a contract for differences. So in Forex, you're not necessarily buying anything, you're not owning anything. You are directly trading on the market, so it's a contract for difference. The only difference between Forex trading and shares, for the shares, you do dividends, and you actually own an asset. You own an operational company that is listed on the Botswana Stock Exchange. But for Forex, you don't own anything. It's just an active trade that you've placed. You will decide whether you make a profit or loss depending on where the price goes from your order. So, honestly, buying shares is much more safer. It's much more safer, I would say. Even the statistics say that online. You can go and check for yourself. Buying shares in an actual company that is operational in the office is much safer. Although, what I will say, Forex, if you are profitable, will pay you more than buying shares in a company. If you buy 10,000 worth of shares in a company, I assume on a good year, they'll give you maybe 700 a year. On a good year. Forex, when you trade a 10,000 account now, you might be able to make 1,000 a day. So, Tota, I want to say buying shares is actually much safer. And I encourage people to invest in shares first, then what are the profits or whatever they get from the shares, the dividends, but it's more Forex. Forex should always be the last thing to invest in more portfolio. Yeah, always. You are going to invest first in yourself. That's your education. You are going to invest in your business. You are going to invest in all these things. Real estate, everything. Forex should be the last thing on the list after investing in others. I was saying, Forex no, that's not how it works. So if you were to take my advice, I would say, if you had 1,000 pula and you had the choice between Forex and buying shares, it really depends on your needs. If you're a short-term person, Forex is better for you. But on the long run, because when you buy shares in a company, it can grow and its value can actually go times 10 times. Depends on its growth pattern, but hell. When you buy 1,000 worth of shares now, high possibility that in 5 or 10 years, they'll be worth maybe 10,000, 50,000. You never know. But I want you guys to actually invest in real assets, in real businesses, in real commodities, in real stocks. Then the last thing to invest in is Forex. It shouldn't be the highest priority in your list. So good luck on your trading career, guys. That's all I wanted to tell you. For short term, Forex could prove a much better and lucrative investment, but it's much harder. But for the long term, I prefer buying stocks. Danke.